Welcome to Take and Play with Christina J, and you are all here to watch me unbox my Kindle Color Soft. And I have inserted the clip of me unboxing just that. And afterwards, I'll come back and show you all how I customize my Kindle and make it personally mine. And then just give you my takes of why I purchased the Kindle Color Soft and just see if you would want something like this. I don't know all the specs and such of them, but I do know the pros of why I even wanted to purchase a Kindle Color Soft. Stay tuned for the video of me unboxing it, and I'll see you all in just a bit. Okay, now that I have finished the unboxing, this is my Kindle and it is all set up. And so next I'm going to show you how I customize it. And this is a little set that I bought from Amazon, and it comes with all these different variations of little slots and inserts that we can put in our case. And I did buy a clear case. This is my clear case. It also came from Amazon, and I bought a pop socket as well in the color gold. And so it came with a little sticky adhesive thing, so I put it inside of my clear case. And so I just put it on like that, and then that's how it's going to be. So super excited about that. So I went with the colors like a nude and tan color for my insert for my case. So I'm going to put that on right there. And then I'm going to add on some stickers also, just to give a little different variations. And it came with 2 sets of stickers, so excited. So I'm gonna just put them in, and there's no rhyme or reason, just whatever looks good to me. And I'm gonna do like a lot of coffee things because I love coffee. Let's see. Iced coffee slut. Yes, I am. Oh, my weekend is booked and busy, but it doesn't really have the color variations that I like. So I like this one. Books and more. Let's do some smaller ones. Caffeine. Yes. I want to do something like that. I'm trying to leave like a little hole for where I put my pop socket, where it's gonna go. Let's look in this other set and see what they have for us. It was a really good set to buy though. It gave you a lot of options to choose from. I like that coffee one. We'll set that one right there to the side. I might use that one. Let's see. A girl in love with cats and books. I don't like cats. Book lover. I might want to do that one. What's this one? Oh, that's cute. Maybe I'll do that one. Spinning with my book and boyfriend. I like that one. I might try to add that one in there. Crazy book lady. Book fun. Ooh, yes, I like that one too. Oh my gosh. There's so many of them that I like. My blood type is coffee. I like that one. Okay. Sorry, I'm booked. Sorry, I'm all booked up. Oh, I like that one too. Oh my gosh, there's too many that I like. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I really like this one. My blood type is coffee. Yes, I like that one. Maybe I can do something like that. And then like my book fun. Like that. And then book lover. I like that one. I like this all booked up too. Maybe I should put it in the corner like that. Sorry, I'm all booked up. Do that one like that. And then I really don't have to have the caffeine one. Maybe I'll take that one off and do this like that. Okay, that looks good. I like this one too though. Okay, so let's just see what it looks like. I know I said I was going to try to leave that opening, but we'll just do it like that. We'll snap that on like so, and it all stays in place. And this will be the final look. Bam. Okay. That is too cute. Too cute. Too cute. I love it. Alright, so you have seen me unbox my Kindle and also customize my Kindle. And these are my final takes on it. I love it. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks at nighttime, and it is doing exactly what I want it to do. I wanted something to get me out of that doom strolling at nighttime and just to pick up another healthy habit, and I feel like this was a no-brainer to me. One of my goals this year I'm going to continue it on in 2026 as well, is to read more. I love to learn continuously and just, just consume great information and stories. I love mythical books, sci-fi, and I am getting into the adult books as well. So yeah, but if you are thinking about getting a Kindle, just do it. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just a girl who wanted to pick up another healthy habit, and I am a hobby girl, not a habit, a hobby girl. And so this is a perfect hobby for me to pick up. I was reading on my iPad Pro, the 12.9, and I'll do a video on that as well. And I could never get the lighting right. It was too big and bulky for me to hold at nighttime. And I just want to separate that because I do use my iPad a lot when I'm at work or during the day. And at nighttime, I wanted something light as a feather, and this is definitely it. It's super light, and the lighting is always like on point. Like, look at that cover of that book. Like, it's just soft on your eyes. And so I can tell you, after using this for the past couple of weeks, I have not had any headaches in the morning because I had noticed me using it at nighttime. I would wake up in the morning with headaches, and I want to say it's me constantly being on the computer during the day at work and then also at nighttime on my screen. So I wanted to limit my screen time, and this to me feels like me reading an actual book. So with all that being said, I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching this video. This is Tech and Play with Christina J, and I will see you all in the next one.